Hello there, YouTube. I wanted to go over some common failures with the LS platform. This is a 6.2 liter from a 2007 Cadillac Escalade with variable valve timing, no active fuel management, and we have it pretty much torn down to the pistons and the rotating assembly still inside. And I just wanted to get down to the cam and show you guys what the problem is with these LS engines and why they have oil pressure issues. This particular engine had the variable valve timing, and it had P0011, I believe it's for the camshaft advanced, over advanced. I forget the code description, but basically having to do with the variable valve timing. And a lot of people have questions about it. What is it? And end up throwing a bunch of parts at it, throwing phasers and just all kinds of things, when it all really comes down to the oil pressure is really the problem. Some of these parts, like the actual cam bolt and the phaser, they do fail, but it's very rare. And if we take a look at this cam bearing, because it goes, this is the first one, this is the last one. This one is completely tore up. As you can see, it's so scarred down, and it's not even, it's down to the copper. And there's actually pieces missing out of it. So what actually is happening is it's in there, and it's not, the clearance is bigger, so you can actually see it's pretty scarred up. So you're actually, your oil pressure that's going into from the block is actually being lost here at the bearing. So the pressure that shoots through the cam to the little pintle here that goes into the phaser to activate it or change the timing, it doesn't have sufficient pressure. So your magnetic solenoid deal on the front, this part right here, that usually is another common failure where the little pintle gets stuck and or it doesn't work anymore. But a lot of times that is fine, and you just don't have enough oil pressure to actuate the phaser. So you'll get this code because it's trying to advance it or it's trying to retard it, and it can't because this system is not working properly. And it really comes down to, I mean almost every single one that I've seen, just not even non-VVT engines, have this problem. And the problem is GM. So GM decided to use these bearings. I so far have seen it in 99 all the way up to, this is an 07, and I believe they continue to use it all the way through the 13, I think is the last year that they made an LS platform, and they went over to the LT. But you can see it's this bearing that's it's a seamed bearing. So a lot of times this seam breaks and that bearing actually starts to spin in its bore. This one didn't have that problem. It usually happens more on the cast iron blocks, and it usually happens to the middle one, these two middle ones, and you'll lose oil pressure there, and the engine will have the oil pressure problem. So that's this is one of the problems with the VVT engines, the cam bearing failure, and causing all the other variable valve timing components to not work properly. A band-aid and a way to test is to see if it is an oil pressure related issue, is you put a higher viscosity of oil and it should work, but that's only a band-aid, and the real issue is here down to the cam bearings. So I just wanted to show that. This is the actual live engine that I just pulled out. It was running, and it did have that problem with the variable valve timing. And this engine, I'll make another video on more of the issues, the common issues with the LS base engines, but this is a quick one for the Escalade third gen Escalade guys with a variable valve timing, and this is basically what it boils down to.